Are you considering selling your home? Then watch this video. It will be the most important 2 minutes you spend preparing to sell your home. You see, when you put your home on the market, you only have one chance to make a first impression. And if you're not careful, all the repairs and upgrades you make could cost you a fortune, without bringing you any closer to getting your home sold. In fact, 93% of all home improvements will not return their cost when selling. So how do you know which repairs and upgrades are worth making? How do you avoid wasting time and money on things that won't matter to a buyer? The answer is simple. With the Home Seller Score Walkthrough. It's a free personal walkthrough of your home where we'll help you identify what upgrades and repairs will make the biggest impact on buyers and how to avoid wasting money on things that won't matter. This way you can confidently prepare your home for sale and get top dollar. It's like having a team of experts by your side, helping you plan every step of the way. And the best part is it only takes 15 minutes, has no obligation, and is absolutely free. So don't wait, schedule your free Home Seller Score Walkthrough now.